Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Nokia model and OS so you know which menu labels appear. Once done, open the phone app and go straight to Recents or Contacts. This is where blocking options live. You want the unwanted number on screen, so either find it in Recents or type it into the keypad and tap the contact entry. Make sure your phone is unlocked and not in safe mode. This prevents hidden menus from blocking the option. You now tap the number or contact to open details, and then tap the three-dot menu or more button. Different Nokia phones label it differently, so look for overflow icons. After that, choose Block or Add to Blacklist. This tells the system to stop calls and messages. If you see options to delete call history or messages, pick what you prefer. Make sure to confirm the action, otherwise the block won't stick. If you want, add a note to the contact. You finish by verifying the block. Open Settings or Call Settings and view blocked numbers to ensure the entry is listed. Once confirmed, make a test call from another line if possible. Blocked calls should not ring. If the number still gets through, restart your phone to refresh services and make sure Do Not Disturb isn't interfering. For persistent, spoofed, or harassing calls, contact your carrier to enable network-level blocking or reporting. This often stops numbers your phone can't block alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.